Hi, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what I do with noodles and what you can do with yours and what I do. Yeah. So this is the last one of the Malaysia, Premium Foods Malaysia. Asam Laksa, Penang Asam Laksa. Asam Laksa is way more tart. It's kind of sour. But it's real good. It's real good, let me tell you. Love this stuff. Usually, the sourness you'll get, Assam means sour in Bahasa Malay, I believe. Or pretty much every language around, I believe it's spelled either A-S-A-M or A-S-A-A-M, meaning sour. Yeah. So, I've kind of got a kooky angle right now, I think, just because I don't want this thing overheating again, because it's warm in here. It's like crazy warm in here. I could open the deck door, but it really just like makes it warmer, I think. But anyways, yeah, I just keep boiling pots of water too. That doesn't really help the situation, right? Anyways, we're also going to need to make 200 mils of water. Here's my little pro tip for today. And I know I've shown you this before, and this is not overboil. And you need the timer set, don't you? So you're gonna get 3 minutes at this point. There. Every single one I think it has boiled over. I think that's a record for me. I don't know. You're still running. You're still running. Good. Good for you, camera. We're good. We're not going to boil over. Here's the... As you can see, it gets kind of angry and stuff. But pro tip: if you have said baby and you don't use it anymore, or you don't feed it anymore, I don't know. Notice it's all graduated in very small amounts in milliliters. So, saves a bit of time and hassle. Yay. Let's put this in here for now. In reserve pot alpha. That's the one thing about these that is making these videos run a little bit long. It's because you have to boil at least the instructions say, and I follow the instructions. I don't color outside the lines when it comes to reviewing and tasting and cooking. But yeah, you gotta cook the noodles, drain them, and then make the soup, and then add that all together. Which is cool, but it's kind of a little bit extra time consuming. There's like a school of noodledom where people absolutely think that if you don't drain your noodles, then you're eating horrible toxins and stuff. I don't believe that at all. No. Anyways. Yeah, what's to do today? Oh, my older son Andy's gonna come today. You should go look at the Chocolate Break episode that came out November 1st. He's in it. My wife Kit was on assignment, chocolate assignment. Actually, she was napping on the couch. We usually do the chocolate break really late because small children are like, "What's this? What's this huge blade? What's this knife all about?" Yeah, no, not gonna deal with that. Sooner or later, the whole family will engage in the chocolate break. And actually, there's going to be a new episode coming, probably December, I'm guessing. It'll be the chocolate break, but what are they called? Japan Candy Box is sending a box for me to review. I figure, you know, you've got all these people coming to my, everybody's coming to my site to look at ramen, and a lot of them are just interested in Japanese stuff. I figured that's a fitting audience, and they did too, so, like, okay, let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna add this stuff. This is the Asam Laksa soup base. I wish I had all the good stuff to put with this, but I don't. Usually you have like cucumber, maybe some like mackerel, I think, things like that. Pineapple. I do have pineapple. I've got mung bean sprouts. I've got coriander. I've got some tofu. I've got some tofu. All right, man. But yeah, Asam Laksa is totally a different animal. What you've been looking at are kind of like curry laksas for the most part. This is not a curry laksa. This is a sour, thinner broth. Good stuff. Really good stuff. I'd really love to just do a tour of Malaysian laksa. It's Peranakan cuisine, I think. But then there's Nyonya Laksa. Nyonya. Nyonya. It's like one of my favorite company names is Nyornyar. Nyor space Nyar. Shout out to Nyornyar. Yeah, it's that flavor. Just the name. It's fun to say. Nyornyar, Nyornyar, Nyornyar. You know, I get into like saying weird things over and over, so it's perfect for me. All right, come on, don't overheat. I mean, you don't overheat, camera. But yeah, it's Friday here. Gonna have a weekend. I think we're gonna go back to Anacortes. Haven't been there in a long time. I'm gonna go hang out. Surprise my mom for her birthday. Yeah. Alright, I think what I'm gonna do this time. This is very spicy, extreme tangy and sour. Not bitter. Don't get the idea when I'm saying tangy and spicy. Don't think kimchi, because this is like as far away from kimchi as you can get. Although, ooh, and I need to grab that. One thing you can put in this, and it's recommended, is lettuce. And I have some romaine lettuce because I have lettuce a lot in my evening salads. Yep, I eat salads now. Isn't that weird? Whoa! There you go. Anyways, I don't want you to get too close. Let's take a look at this. Excellent noodles, as every time with this company. Very nice broth. Kudos, loving it. Yeah, so I'm gonna throw some things in here first. I'm gonna throw these mung bean sprouts right in and stir it up. So you go stir, stir, stir. It's kind of tough though, because it's like I don't want to use too much of anything, because just the broth ratio is kind of slim. Okay, come on, where's the salad? Where'd you put the salad? Down here. Has all the salad been eaten? I hope not. I need lettuce. Ooh. I think I see salad. I see salad. I see salad. This is leafy green romaine. So we're going to add some romaine lettuce. There's some parts like this, and I think that's what I'm going to go for. There we go. Stir. Get in there. Cool. Yeah, on my diet, that's still going pretty good. I haven't eaten more calories than I should, but yesterday I ate all that pineapple, and that put me way over on sugar. And speaking of pineapple, here's some more pineapple. It recommends pineapple in this, which is a sweetness to go along with the tangy. And I think I'm just gonna snip up this little piece of tofu, throw it in. Oh, and we need egg too. So let's do this. Now let's put this in. I want to get the pineapple. I want everything to have a little bit of that broth on it so it takes on that color, because that's like a big part of everything. Bowl. I'll go over here. There we go. Stuff it. That is beautiful. Look at that. And we need an egg. Here's an egg. I will cut it in half and add it in. Oh, I already have the knife of truth and happiness, which my wife likes to make fun of and call it a paring knife, but sometimes I call it the blade of pleasure and pain, because I'm like weird, I guess. I don't know. Some people don't understand, but sometimes you just gotta say strange things because it's strange. And there you go, America. There is your Asam Laksa. Beauty, eh? What a nice ending to a really good review series. I'm stoked. And last but not least, we are going to add some of this crispy garlic. That's like perfect. This stuff's insane. It's like garlic potato chips. Wow. They're like salty and everything. It's really good stuff. Alright. Well, cool. I'd like to just take a second to thank Mr. Benson Tan of Way Premium Foods for sending this along. He sent all these noodles that in the last 6 days you've seen, and tons of different sauces and jars and stuff. Just like, wow, blew me away. Really cool guy. Thank you very much. And you got some great products, so yeah. Well, all right. It's been Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell to find out what's going on. One of these videos gets posted every day, usually on Wednesdays or Thursdays. Every Thursday rather, there's the chocolate break with me and my wife Kit, where we review chocolate. And on Fridays, very often, there will be a spicy noodle mukbang with me and my son Miles, partying up like it's 1999. Plus, there are unboxings, top 10s, all sorts of cool stuff. So with that, I bid you farewell. Have a good one, and bye.